Hi, I am Mehboob Ali and today we are at Coco County located in Sector 10, Greater Noida West.
Calmer Beats. NCB exclusive.
This project spread over 4.5 acre land with wide green belt on two sides. The project has inspired by less green tropical lifestyle and love for nature. This is a well-planned yet an affordable housing project from the developer of iconic Cleo County. Here we have this beautiful reception area, and just opposite to the reception area, this is waiting area, which have 5-seater sofa with center table. This wide walkway with double height ceiling will go straight to the lift area, and here is the 3 lift which is not in the working state right now. So we'll go by the stairs to the second flat. So come with me. The builder has provided a single size 3 BHK flat of 1152 square feet in size, and this is the layout of flat. Let's have a look inside. Right now I am in the drawing room of the flat, and this has the space to put a 3-seater sofa in the back of the wall and one center table and 2-seater sofa here. So totally you will have 5-seater sofa here. So this is the kitchen of the flat, and you will get one granite top with concrete slab and one sink with sanitary wares and one corrugated wall to exit the chimney pipe. And this is a very good space to make your modular kitchen to fulfill your requirements in the kitchen. And when you come to the kitchen, this is the utility area of the kitchen, and here is the enough space to keep your washing machine here and wash your clothes while you are cooking your food. So this is the good space actually. And just opposite to the kitchen, this is the area where you can keep your 6-seater dining table here, and this is the space to make your TV panel here. And when you come to this space, this is the walkway for your rooms and common bathroom. So this is the first room of the flat, and this is 10 feet into 10 feet in size, and it has a space of your wardrobe which is I think 3 feet into 8 feet in size, and here you can keep your king size bed. And just opposite to the bed, here is the wall, and it has a dedicated space for TV panel where you can make your beautiful TV panel and enjoy your movies and shows while sitting on your bed. So this is the attached balcony of the first room, and this is very wide, and I think this is a very great space for balcony. And this balcony also connects to the master bedroom. So you can go just in the master bedroom when you are coming to the first bedroom. So this is the master bedroom of the flat, and here you will get this laminated wooden flooring and dedicated space for your almirah. And this is the space for your master bed. And just opposite to the bed, this is the space for your TV panel, and this is enough space to make a big TV panel right here. And just in the side of the bed, this is the attached bathroom of the master here we have this dedicated space for your wash basin and vanity with good sanitary wares, one mirror, and this is the space for your vanity. So here we have the shower and good sanitary wares, and these highlighted tiles is making this space so beautiful. And I think this space is good enough for your master bedroom bathroom.
NCP exclusive.
So let's go to the other room. So let's go to the third room. So this is the third room of the flat, and this wall is dedicated for your TV panel. And just opposite to the TV panel, this is the wall for your bed. So having your bed here and TV panel there. So this is the space for your wardrobe, and I think this space is in size 3 feet into 8 feet, and just in the side of this almirah, this is the balcony. So balcony is, I think, in good space. Now I am going to the bathroom, which is attached to this room and which is also the common bathroom of the flat. So here we have dedicated space for your vanity, wash basin and good sanitary wares here with one mirror and WC, this shower cabin with sanitary wares here, and this is the second entry of the bathroom, and this is the common bathroom also, and this is the walkway to the toilet. This was 3 BHK flat of Coco County, and builder is offering possession before October, actually before Diwali. So if you want to buy a new property before Diwali and want to shift before Diwali, you can contact us. The details are given in the description below. And the unique thing about this project is this project have only 3 towers, and each floor of the tower have 12 flats. Actually 12 flats are interlinked to each other, and each 6 flats has 1 lobby and 3 high-speed lifts. The builder has very good reputation in the market, as builder has delivered an iconic project Clio County on time, Cherry County on time, Orange County on time. So I recommend you, if you want to buy a flat, a new flat, then you can buy it, you can choose it. Just visit once and you will get everything to know. If you like this video, please share to your friends and families and subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel, and it will help us to make more videos for you. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video.